Varying automotive and household tasks require varying degrees of work and cleanup, and luckily, Turtle Wax's Max Power All-Purpose Cleaner has adjustable strength to adapt to any and all surfaces. And unlike other harsh cleaners, Max Power All-Purpose Cleaner won't leave behind residue, stains, or grim odors. 3 levels of easy-to-use adjustable strength provide moderate, aggressive, or extreme cleaning. For moderate cleaning, like with garage tools, spray Max Power All-Purpose Cleaner onto a damp cloth and then apply, either completing with that damp cloth or rinsing in clean water. For aggressive cleaning, like with bug residue or brake dust on wheels, first wet the surface to be cleaned with water and then apply Max Power All-Purpose Cleaner. For heavier soils, let soak for 1 to 2 minutes and finish by damp wiping and rinsing away with clean water. This method works great as a spot cleaning pre-car wash. For extreme cleaning, like engine bays and heavy-duty equipment, spray Max Power All-Purpose Cleaner directly onto the dry surface. Let soak for 1 to 2 minutes with heavier jobs and scrub if needed. Rinse or damp wipe and repeat the process if necessary with heavier soils. With adjustable cleaning power and an innovative formula, messes are removed with nothing left behind but a clean workspace and tropical scent, making Turtle Wax's Max Power All-Purpose Cleaner the perfect tool for any garage task.